Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Monaco Sandwich. Add 2 boiled potatoes in a bowl. Mash them very well. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 tablespoons chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon sweetcorns, 1 tablespoon chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon pomegranate seeds. Add chopped green chilies as per taste. Add some chopped coriander leaves. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Pinch of chaat masala. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon chilli flakes. 1/4 teaspoon Italian seasoning. Add 2 tablespoon green chutney. 2 tablespoons sweet chutney. Mix everything well. Mixture is ready. Make small balls out of potato mixture. It's almost the size of your biscuits. Make all the balls. Repeat same procedure. All balls are ready. Take a Monaco or Ritz biscuit, top side facing down. Place a ball of stuffing mixture. Cover with another biscuit. Sandwich them between 2 biscuits. Press slightly. Repeat same procedure for all. All sandwich biscuits are ready to coat. Spread nylon sev or aloo bhujia in a dish. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Take a sandwich biscuit. Apply tomato ketchup around it. Coat evenly. Roll over nylon sev or bhujia. Coat it well. Repeat same for remaining sandwich biscuits. Roll well on all sides. Looks like this. Place in serving dish. Garnish as per your choice. Place 1 pomegranate seed on each sandwich. Perfect party snack is ready. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.